This is your newer type model John Deere rotary mower. It's a heavy duty one. John Deere Category 1 pins, 540 PTO. It's a local machine he was using, I think. See it turn freely. Right here. Got your share pins in it, right here. Looks like it's got a stump jumper maybe. It's got some non-factory weld right here. It's probably stouter than it's ever been right here. It's got some little holes right here rusted in it. I can't see any other problem right there. There's little rusty holes there. Got your hard rubber press wheel in the back.